pistachio and lemon loaf. The ingredients are in the drop-down menu below. Plain flour, sugar, pistachio nuts, baking powder, baking soda, salt. Combine the dry ingredients. Preheat the oven. In a separate bowl, start with the eggs. Whisk the eggs. Vegetable oil. Yogurt. Continue whisking. Milk. Vanilla extract. Lemon zest. Combine the liquid and dry contents. Mix well. Pour the mixture into a loaf tin or a loaf container. Bake for 60 minutes. After 60 minutes, remove from the oven. Allow to completely cool. Let's make the topping. Icing sugar. Lemon juice. Mix to combine. Drizzle the topping over the delicious loaf. How amazing is this? So easy, just try it. Enjoy!